Let us study about why do we fall ill. Ninth standard, 13th chapter. Let us study about disease and its causes. What does disease? How does it comes? And disease and its causes. How do we know that there is something wrong in our body? We can know because number of tissues in our body, number of organ system is there in our body. They carry out number of functions in our body. Okay, means tissues means the all the tissues, muscular tissue, epithelial tissue, skin tissue, and organs, respiratory organ, digestive organ, small intestine, large intestine, like this, kidney. These are the organs. When there is a disease, functioning or the appearance of one or more system change for the worst condition. If you are getting the disease, somewhat you will feel uncomfortable or discomfort. Then there is a changes and it gives the symptoms and sign of the disease. Symptoms and sign. Symptoms means you will feel tired, you will feel asleep, giddiness, you will feel headache, you will feel cough, loose motions, wound with the pus. These are the symptoms. Okay, and the symptoms indicates there may be a disease but don't indicate what disease. Symptoms, it shows one disease but it does not indicate which type of disease, what disease. With the help of doctor we can uh, diagnose the disease, and with the help of test by the laboratories you will get to know which disease it is. Okay, these are the things. When there is a disease, either the function or the appearance of one or more system of the body will change for the worst condition. These changes give rise to symptoms and sign of the disease. These symptoms of disease are the things we feel as being wrong. So you have a headache, we have cough, we have loose motion, we have a wound with pus. These are all symptoms. There may be disease, but they do not indicate that disease. For example, headache may means just examination of stress. Very rarely it may mean meningitis or any one of a dozen of different diseases. Sign of disease are what physician will look for on the basis of symptoms only. The physician, he will diagnose with the help of symptoms. Give a give a little more definite indication of the presence of particular disease. Physician will also get laboratory test and pinpoint to the disease further. Acute and chronic disease. The manifestation of disease will be different depending on the number of factors. One of the most important factor that determines how we perceive the disease and its duration. Some disease last for only very short period of time. Okay, and these are called acute disease. Within a short period, the disease will get and it will cure. That is, for example, common cold. We all know from the experience that is the common cold. Other element, other example, other chronic disease means what? Chronic means it is a severe, it goes for long time, even much of lifetime complete. It is chronic only, means it's uh, even as much as a lifetime, or it is known as chronic disease. For example, it is the infection causing elephantiasis, means leg becomes swollen completely, it become bulge like. That is known as elephantiasis. It is a very common in some parts of the India. Uh, the completely bulged leg, we cannot carry that one. Elephantiasis, that is the chronic disease. Means what is the difference between acute and chronic? Means acute lasts only for very short period of time, and it is a long time disease, even as much as a lifetime. And the common cold is the acute disease, and elephantiasis is the chronic disease.